friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is Vlogmas day 11. I just got off of work. I was running a little bit slow, so I couldn't introduce the vlog before I went to work, but it's time for me to take a shower, and you know what I'm gonna say, get cozy. So let's go ahead and do that, and I want to make some tea right after, so it's just gonna be good vibes. Let's go. Hi friends, so yesterday's vlog was completely unsuccessful. I really didn't have anything going on, so I didn't get that much footage. So we're just rolling that over to today's. Today's the 11th day or 12th day of Vlogmas. Let's see. It's the 12th day of Vlogmas. So we're just gonna carry this over and it's gonna be a 2-for-1. Technically not posting every single day, but you know what, I tried my best. And today I went to Walmart, so I have like an entire yarn haul that we're gonna do together, so that's gonna be really fun. But right now I gotta get to work. Okay, I'm starting with all 3 of these. I'm gonna make a scarf. I bought so much yarn today. I'm so excited, so let's do a yarn haul. Let me know in the comments how much you think all of this was, and I will tell you next video hopefully, or in the comments. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this pink yarn. I'm trying to build out like the colors in my yarn storage, yarn organization, yarn stash, like that, my yarn stash. I've had this purple one before, and I just think it's like such a pretty lavender color. There's so much stuff I can make with this. It's really pretty. Oh, I got this burgundy. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful color. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I have to do something like gorgeous with this. And then I got this one. This one is ombre, so that's really exciting. I love that it like switches up colors. I've been wanting to do that more and buy more yarn that's like that. So I'm glad I got this. That's the first bag. The second bag, I got this. It's not white, it's like a cream yarn. These are all from Red Heart, I think, all of them. And I got this so that I could use this in different projects. Like most of these I got so that I can have a pop of color if I need to, especially if I'm doing granny squares. And then I also got this color. This color is so pretty to me. I'm obsessed with this one. It's just, this is gorgeous. And then I just ran out of my yellow. I'm working on a project right now, so I got this mustard yellow because I was thinking, oh, if I do like daisies or something like that, I can use this color. And then the last one is this really beautiful royal blue. Oh, I obviously like love this color. I mean, most people do. I love the color. I love the color. It's really pretty. There's so much that I can do with this. I'm excited. So I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 skeins. Oh, skeins or skeins of yarn. All of these. That was a win. That was a win. And I got them all from Walmart. So right now I'm just waiting for the chicken to marinate, and then I'm gonna make dinner. I'm making fried chicken tonight. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna have it with some mashed potatoes and some gravy. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna bring you along too so you can see what I'm doing, what I'm making. So yeah, friend. Okay, let's finish making dinner. Hi friends, I'm having my tea, but I just wanted to say this is the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it today and yesterday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye friends.